Hey y'all, hey. Hope all is well with you. So I seen this quick project, no telling where. Could have been TikTok, Instagram, somewhere. Could have been even Facebook. So I need I'm doing some updating this period. It's what I want. So I went to the favorite dollar store, at least mine. I don't know about anybody else's. No longer a dollar, but it's $1.25. Bought some towels. About 2 towels. Bought some mats. Some pot holders. I'm going to do 2 different ones. One is I have a cast iron skillet and another skillet that the handle gets hot. So I'm going to make covers for them. And I'm going to actually do it where the tag, this tag, is on the inside at the part that's sewn. So I'm just going to sew around. If I do it this way, I wonder if I can sit up there and hang it. If I do it this way, that would make more sense. Okay, let's watch. So I got these 2 projects done in no time. This was the basic cover that I used for cast iron skillet in another pot I had. One thing I probably would have did differently is I would either put some extra thermal fleece inside to give it a little bit more support or more coverage, and actually put sewed another row of stitching. Now with the towel situation, it did take a minute because I was trying to line up the towel width with the width of the pot holder. As you can tell, it was a lot of maneuvering because I really wanted the logo that was going down the front of the towel to be directly in the middle. I think it was printed wrong. That's the other reason why it took me a minute. It was printed wrong. I did sew this as a box, not just straight down. I did a box to give a little width so that when I actually buckled it onto my stove, it had a little bit of a width to it. It was pretty quick, as you can tell, once I got that done. I used clear buttons or snaps that I got from Amazon. It was like a large pack that had 3 different sizes. If you like, I can go ahead and drop that in the comments below, the link for it. So I did that, and then just took my time and went on and sewed on these snaps. It's a whip stitch. Hopefully I positioned you well enough that you can see how I did the whip stitch and attached these snaps. I did do them pretty much in the middle, but the pot holder wasn't actually symmetrical, I'll be honest. So I get those done. I did 2 of them, as well as 2 of the pot holders. I just want to say I appreciate y'all. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or would like me to do it again, show you a different one, that's cool. I can do it again because I wouldn't mind an upgrade. I appreciate y'all. If you haven't already, like and subscribe to my channel.